Hello and welcome to how to link a quiz, create a quiz, and add different settings to quizzes. So I actually already have a quiz made, but you go to assessment and then quizzes and exams. You see here that I have a week 1 quiz made. I do have it hidden, but I need to edit it. So I'm going to click into the quiz. Right now I don't have it in any category, and I also don't have any quiz questions. So I just recently, in the other how-to steps, created a bunch of different quiz questions. So I'm going to add and edit questions from here. And then I'm going to actually import browsing from the question library because that is where all of mine are. So these are all the questions that I just made. So I'm actually going to select up here, and that selects all of them all at once. And I'm going to hit import. So now I have inputted my questions. My total quiz is worth 16 points as of right now. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to the settings so that I can adjust those for my quiz. So under the properties, my quiz already has a name, which is great. Let's see. I don't really care about this, but I will shuffle the questions at the quiz level so that different students get different types of questions. I'm going to expand. I'm not going to allow any hints for this one. All right, perfect. So that looks good. I'm going to save. And then under the restrictions tab up here at the top, this is where I'm going to activate it. So I'm not going to hide it anymore from users. I'm going to have a due date. I'm going to have a start date. And then I am going to set the time for this quiz. So I'm going to do an enforced time limit of 90 minutes with a 5 minutes grace period. After the grace period, I am going to select here. I'm going to allow the student to continue working, but automatically score the attempt as a 0 after the extended deadline. So after students hit that deadline, I am going to auto submit this. Attempts, I am going to, let's see here, allow users, nope, I'm just going to keep that the same, save. All right, so under the assessment tab, I want to auto publish attempt results immediately. This is what it's going to look like. I have the student preview, 16 out of 16. Attempts allow. I'm actually going to change this to unlimited and apply that. And then down here, I'm going to say overall is going to be an average of all attempts. So that if they want to redo it, that's fine. But then the scores will be averaged out, and hit save. And then actually I'm going to skip objectives for right now and then add some missing views. So I'm going to go ahead and look here that I want to show questions. No, perfect. So let's show attempt score. Let's see here. All right, don't want that. All right, so the default view is they can see it immediately. I don't want them to be able to see the questions. I'm going to go ahead and save and close that. And now my quiz is linked here to my questions. Perfect. And I can add a description if I wanted to in this section, but I'm not going to right now. So that is how we go ahead and add our questions from our quiz bank. If you didn't already have that created, you would just go through the process and create a new quiz up here at the top. You would name it and then add or edit your questions here. I just had mine already created. So that is how you create a quiz and how you add some of the settings on. Thank you for watching.